Hi there, and welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the theme and the header of your brand new website. When you get to the dashboard, click on the Customize Theme and Header button. When you get there, you'll see the temporary website here in the picture. It may look different on your end right now. Click on the Website Colors and Fonts. What you could do first is change the background color, which is this color over here. I'm going to choose a color, this color right over here. Now we're going to change the background pattern. You can see that there's no pattern over here in the background. I am going to go ahead and change this pattern to pinstripes, but you have a few other choices here to tea leaves and so on, cream pixels. I'm going to go ahead and just keep it pinstripes. Now I'm going to go ahead and change the menu accent color, which is this bar right over here. I'm going to try to keep within the same color theme branding, and I'm just going to paste the color that I put in over here. And I'm going to actually darken it to 100% right over here. Next, I'm going to change the link text color, which is this color right over here. It'll show up over here. Choose that color. Again, I'm going to try to stay within the same branding color, and I am going to change it to the same color that I made the menu bar up over here. Now we're going to be able to change the body font of your text. I'm going to change it to Open Sans. And if you notice, the body font changed over here. You have a few options to choose from. I'm going to change the headline font. This is the headline font that you see over here change. I'm actually going to put it back to Open Sans for that consistency. Next, you can update the headline text color. This is the headline text color that will change. Again, for consistency's sake, I am going to use the same color that I used previously. So now the same colors are matching over here. I'm going to change the font to a little bit larger font over here so it looks a little bit bigger on the page for people who might be impaired visually. Next, I'm going to change the appointment button color, which is this button color over here. Again, I'm going to choose the same color for consistency's sake. We could change it over here. You can make it lighter. You can make it darker. You could really change that around. Next, you could put a main window shadow in the background. So if you see this edge right over here, it's just a sharp, crisp edge. What I'm going to go to do and add a shadow in the background. I'll show you what the large shadow looks like. You can see that right now there's a three-dimensional shadow, which kind of makes it lift off the page. I'll go ahead and just choose the medium shadow over here. A little less of a shadow. And that's pretty much it for your website colors and fonts. Next, I'm going to show you how to update the header image. First thing you need to do is to get rid of the stock image that's showing up on your site. And I'm going to say hide image. And then I'm going to choose from one of the different header images that we've preloaded in here for you. Or you could actually upload your own image. What I'm going to go do is I am actually going to choose this image right over here, which gives me a little bit of room to put my logo and other information in this general area. If you want to add your own header image, go ahead and click Add New Image and upload a 960 by 250 pixel wide image that'll populate this area. Next, I'm going to adjust the header text, which is this text over here that's difficult to see right now. I am going to move it up just so I have a better view of it. Move it over here so you can move it all around your website. I'm going to move it over there, this section right over here. And I'm going to change the name to MassagePerfect. I'm going to change the type of font over there, but I'm going to use Dancing Script. So MassagePerfect, that's the name of the clinic here. I'm going to change the color. I'm going to make it the same color that I've been using, the blue, all around. There we go. And now I'm going to change the size of that font to kind of fill that space a little bit more. Next, I'm going to update the tagline text. I'm going to change that. Okay, massage works. Try it today. I'm going to change that font to something a little more generic. I'm going to actually keep it at the Open Sans. And I'm going to change the font color. And I'm going to reduce it down just a little bit so I have the name of my clinic popping out a little more than my tagline. You could move that, make it as big as you want, make it as small as you want. I'm going to make it a little smaller over here. I'm going to move it up just a little bit, just kind of tuck it right up under here. You can move it to the left, to the right. I actually like it a little bit over there to the right, justified. Next, you could put a drop shadow behind the header. So I'm going to go ahead and put a dark drop shadow behind the header. You'll see that show up right over here. Or you could put a light shadow behind the header. And it's a very light shadow. It doesn't show up so well here on this light image, but if it was a darker image, you would see this drop shadow a little more. Next, I'm going to upload a header logo. I'm going to click over here, select a file, go to where that file is located on my computer, change the size of the logo and the position of where I want that logo to show up. Hit save and publish, and there you have it. A beautifully designed website that you can update and edit at any time. Thanks for watching.